Hi everyone, it's Tony. The subject I want to talk to you about today is to share some information with you about real care in your business. And if you're not getting the results that you're after, if things are not quite working out as you thought they were going to, then let me share something really quite simple with you. What's really happening is simply you're not caring enough about the results that you're looking for. So what I want to be able to help you with is to actually see that if you truly have a look at the value of really caring about what it is that you're doing, I can guarantee that you'll get a different result just by adding more care about what you do and how you actually go about it. Often in business, there are things that we allow to slip through that don't necessarily get our care and attention in order to get the real results that we're looking for. So by actually really caring about something, I can almost sort of say that you will get a different result. So what I'm asking you to do is to have a look at areas of your business that you're not getting those results in, and seeing that by adding some real care into what you do and how you do things, or how other people are doing them for you, whether you're going to achieve a different result from that. I know that when I had my business, often I would find that, the level of care could sometimes be a little bit hit and miss. That's not acceptable in business. You need to be consistent in terms of your application, and you need to apply real care all of the time if you're going to achieve the overall outcome that you're looking for. I know that often when I've really cared about something, I can think of an instance where I was searching for a particular car that I was after, and I went from quite some distance to make sure that I got what I was looking for, and I never let any standard slip on making sure that I got everything I wanted for in that car. When I got the car, I was actually pretty happy with the end result that I got, and it's only that I put in that level of real care to ensure that I got what I was looking for, that I actually got the outcome that I really desired. So if you're not getting that outcome in your business or in your life, then think about how you can apply more real care and see if you get a better result. If you found any of this information useful, then please actually sort of check in or subscribe to our YouTube channel about our Upcoach programs, or if not, add some comment in down below and start a conversation with us there.